Hello everyone, this is Shotakaniki and today I'll show you how to make some shape-shifting object thing. I think I might have discovered this thing before and yeah. So all you need is like the box tool and you need to enable grids. Then you make a box and then you duplicate this box. Alright. And then after that you put your axles here. Use this axle right. Use these axles here, and put them on these sides. I'll just show you, like this. We're almost done with it. All right. Okay, and I think we're done. And then we turn off grid. You can keep it on if you want. And then we start pressing play. Oh, look at this. Oh, it shape shifted. Oh, it looks cool. It really is a cool thing. You see, how I found out about this is that, well, I was supposed to be making some kind of soft body for like a cube, but I had to use like these axles. But then I realized after I've done that, then this thing appeared, and I I was thinking, I think I should make a video about this. So yeah, this is a cool thing I wanted to show you guys. So if you like that video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Yeah, it's a pretty short tutorial, but yeah, it's pretty cool and I want people to know about it more. So bye, I'll see you later.